Well, guys, we got the old school tillage here, the John Deere 9200. And Rory, what can you tell us about this one?
Oh, let's see, I bought this probably, it was probably around 2008, I believe. Bought it in at Pinter Implement. They were having a reduction sale, and I ended up getting a hold of it, brought it home, changed every fluid there was, rear ends, transmissions, engine, everything. Really, I bought it because I wanted something heavy duty to disc. We went with bigger discs that way. Has no PTO, has no 3-point. All I was doing was tillage work with it, so it was just fine for me. It's kind of about the way, I think the previous owner had a blade on the front for packing a pit because there was some scuffing on the side panels, so I sanded them down and repainted them, but outside of that, a little bit on the frame, but otherwise it's pretty much the way I got it. I did put a new headliner and some new interior panels in it and stuff because the headliner's all falling down. So we replaced that and some other things like that on the inside. Added the ATU on there for auto steer. It's all hooked up and ready to go. Just need a monitor and she's ready to go auto steer.
I'd say for the age, she's a pretty clean tractor and looks pretty good. And again, guys, it's ready to go home, go to work.